What's going on, guys? It's your boy Frankie here with another video. On today's video, I'm going to be completing my stage 1 kit on my 2015 Harley Street 500. So as you guys seen on the last video, I went ahead and did the slip-on exhaust on that too. Sounds sweet, everything too. So now I'm going to go ahead and complete it. So we're going to install the K&N High Performance L filter right here. This is actually a cheaper option, and to be honest, guys, the reason why I chose this one is because I live in California and our laws are strict about emissions and all kinds of crap like that. So I wanted to get the K&N cold air intake like I have on the Grom, but for the California version, it's like a whole ton of, but it costed a whole ton more, and you know, the one that I was able to find, they wouldn't ship over here. So, and then on top of that, I looked at one of the like the Vance and Hines naked air filters, and then they had like another one that was like Arlen Ness, I think it was. Those two, they were telling me the same thing. Oh, we can't ship there, we can't ship there. So I found this one, and you know what? Screw it. I'm just gonna go ahead and go with this, install it in. Then I'm gonna go ahead and do the Vance Hines Fuelpak here. This is the FP3. So with the exhaust, and after I'm gonna put this in here, I'll walk you guys through the install of putting this. It should be real easy as well. And then we're gonna go ahead and hook this thing up. And then I'll go ahead and show you how that connects to physically to the diagnostic port, and then we're going to go ahead and run the app and everything too, and then load some custom maps, load it in, and then we'll see how everything rides. And then after that, I mean, the bike should run better, should, you know, make it run a little more rich and everything too, increase some speed and everything. I mean, I have no idea what to expect here. I know on the Grom after the stage 1 with the tune, I mean, it made a big difference. I don't know how big of a difference it's going to make on the Harley. So I guess we're going to go ahead and find out right now, and then this time maybe we can go for a ride on the bike too. So see you in the garage. All right, guys, so the first thing we're going to do is remove this Allen key right here. This is a we're going to use a 5mm Allen key. I got a little kit we're going to use to take this off first. Oh, sorry. Gonna be the first thing, so we're gonna go ahead and take this off. Sorry guys, I'm holding the camera here at the same time. All right. Off, and there it goes, and damn, that is dirty. Look at that. Perfect time to take this thing off. All right, so now we're going to remove these with a 10mm socket wrench. Will be the next thing. We're going to go ahead and pull this sucker off. There we go. And once this comes off here, what we're going to want to do is we're going to use your the existing gasket off of here as well to put onto the new filter. So once you get your stock filter, which you can see, look how dirty this thing is over here. It's nasty. But you're gonna take this off of your old one and you're gonna replace it and put this over your new filter. Bring this over here to the light so you can see it more. And then this is just gonna, this thing right here will go just directly right over this. If this is broken or damaged, I would go ahead and get a new one. And I'm really sorry, guys, I don't have my cameraman with me because of all of this coronavirus shit that's going on. I've got to film by myself in my fucking dirty ass fucked up garage, so my apologies. So go ahead. I can't do this with, you know, holding the camera, so go ahead and place that on here. And this is what the new K&N filter looks like right here. You can see. Okay, guys, so I went ahead and got this off of my off the stock air filter. We're gonna go ahead and just, you see it's got a little right there. We're gonna place that one on, and if yours is cracked or damaged at all, I would go ahead and get a replacement from your Harley Davidson dealership or online store. Okay, guys, so once you remove your factory gasket off your stock one right there, you're going to go ahead and put it on your new K&N filter right here on the edges. It goes on nice and tight just like that. If yours is cracked or damaged, I would go ahead and replace it. Go contact your Harley Davidson dealer or go to the store and get that part replaced. So now that I've got the stock gasket on this one, we're going to go ahead and put these rubber washers back on here first. Sorry, guys, I'm doing this one-handed. I don't have my cameraman with me because we're all grounded right now. Coronavirus is leaving us alone, so I can't film at Jay's house today. So I'm doing the best I can, guys. My bad. Okay, so now that we have that on there, we're going to go ahead and we're going to put in our K&N filter on here, and just make sure it is on nice flush. There we go. It feels good. It's not loose at all. And there we're going to put our bracket back on. Where did that thing go? There we go. Put this right back on there, and then boom. Put our bolts on. Alright, once again, this is a 10mm socket. You don't want to put this super tight, but you know, tight enough. Alright, and there we go, it's in there. Next thing you're going to do is go ahead and you're going to replace your stock cover back on there. Go ahead and put in your bolt right there, I believe it's a 5mm Allen key, and you are set to go. Okay, so now that we've got our air filter installed, we're going to go ahead and install our Fuelpak. Here it is. So what we're going to do on this model, and it's the same on a lot of them too, is remove the seat, which I already did, and then remove the side cover. And then this thing is going to go into the diagnostic port. So this one here uses a 6-pin, so you can see right there, which on a lot of the newer bikes, that's what they have. So this is my 6-pin right here, which is being covered by a rubber thingamajigger. I'm going to go ahead and take this off, remove this, and then we are going, there it is. So we got 6 ports, and then we're going to go ahead and install our Fuelpak. Go
goes in right there. Okay, it's in. There it is. There for now, whatever. Now we're good. We have our bike on run. We're gonna turn this on position. We should see this thing light up. There it is. There we go. It's lighting up. So now I already went ahead and installed the app. Okay, so we have the bike on the on position there, and I'm sorry, we got the bike on run, and we got the key set to on. Do not start your bike. As you can see now, we've got the lights here going on, so it does see it. So I already installed the app right there, so we're gonna go ahead and run it. Okay, let's see. So actually, you know what? I think we're gonna connect it Bluetooth first. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, there it is. It's gonna see your the digits of your VIN number on there. Okay, it's connected. So now it's connected, we're going to go ahead and launch this again. Let's see. Okay, connected, so it sees it. Checking firmware update. Okay, blah blah blah, install now. And as it's doing this, I'm gonna relax. It should take a few minutes, so we'll get back when the update is done. Almost down here, we're at step 3 of 3. It is flashing. So it's probably going to give me some instructions and make some noise. Waiting for Bluetooth. Lost connection. What the hell? It's connected. Okay, there it goes. Flashing bootloader, it's still not done. Ah, come on. Alright, firmware updated, done. Not linked to any bike. Alright, so right now we're going to be looking for maps and everything. So we have exhaust manufacturer, Vance and Hines, and they're probably not going to have my exhaust. I've got the Tab Performance exhaust on this, so they say if it's not listed on here to just use pick the closest one. If it runs weird after going through like a full tank of gas, I still don't like it, then I'll just go ahead and do it, run an auto tune on it. Alright, so I went ahead and found the closest match, which is right here. We're going to go ahead and download this map. Okay, continue. Program. Okay, transferring map. Linking Fuelpak to your bike. go. I heard it makes the sound like when you first switch on your bike. Sending stock to server. As I was saying, I couldn't find the bolt to put the cover onto the air filter, so it's just gonna be like this right now, just naked. And if that bolt doesn't show up, like I was saying, I'll just go buy another one. I really don't want it. It's just more irritating that I lost it, because I knew I would. Pushing new map to bike. I hope my battery doesn't drain. I haven't started my bike in like, oh, there it goes again. Please turn bike off for 30 seconds. Okay, turn bike on. Turn back on. Bluetooth will reconnect. There we go. And here we go. Map transferred. It's all finished. So I just programmed my bike, and now you can share it. I'm not. So we should be all good to go. This shows my VIN number and everything here. So now at this point, the Fuelpak is married to my bike. So at this point, I cannot load any custom maps or anything onto any other bike. However, this thing does have a like it can read diagnostic codes and all that stuff too. So if your friend has a bike that this thing can connect to, you can still use it to read like certain diagnostic codes and everything like that. But you can't load any kind of custom maps or do any of that. So okay, so now that we have the custom map loaded to the bike and we're connected and everything too, so this is everything you can on the app right here, so you can see it. So let's see, Bluetooth connected. So here we go. So this is what you'll get. You can search for a map, you can view, edit your maps, map optimization, view sensor data, maintenance, auto tune, customer support, system info. Pretty cool. I was checking out a couple of these. Like, let's see, view sensor data, and it shows, you know, battery voltage, engine temperature, coolant temperature. I don't know what XPS is, not sure. 0% mile per hour. I don't even know what this thing is, to be honest. It's definitely not speed, since we're just sitting here. Let's see, we got map optimizations, the decal pop. I heard with this right here, you can control how your exhaust backfires and everything. It's kind of cool. Rev limit, you can probably change that. I don't know if I want to just yet. Injector size, camshafts, engine displacement, idle RPM. Pretty cool. I mean, it says the more I use it, I'll be able to learn more and everything. But yeah, I think that is pretty cool. So that's why. So what I'm gonna do is, see, I've got the Fuelpak connected right now, so I'm probably gonna put some Velcro on the back of it so that I can mount it here somewhere, because I'm gonna leave mine pretty much. I'm gonna leave it connected all the time. I figure why not? Or for now, I can put it in this little tube that I'm not using. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please hit like and subscribe if you like it, or if you want to see any other future content and everything too. And then next video I'm going to say is that we can go for a ride, and maybe I'll shut up at the time, and then you can just listen to the bike, see how she sounds and everything too. But till then, guys, thank you again for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.